What are some ways you can increase touch time, or the amount of time in a day you're actually working on any given vehicle? We're going to find out next. Unpredictability of the workload is one thing that negatively impacts touch time. How can we avoid this? Scheduling work according to capacity. What are our average daily billable hours? Multiply that number by your cycle time goal and you will know the sweet spot between too much and too little work. How about estimating? Once you have the job in the shop, you must do a complete disassembly and generate a comprehensive parts supplement. Once the parts order has been received and verified, then the vehicle can enter into production. Avoiding interruptions. It's not uncommon to see techs create their own interruptions. For example, attempting to maximize a particular operation by batching them together. The problem with this is loss of focus and overproduction. Parts are also a source of a disrupted workflow. If a tech must halt progress on one job and start another job in an effort to remain productive, touch time is naturally negatively affected. In the paint shop, is the tech waiting for parts to be jammed or are parts painted off the car? Not only will touch time and efficiency both increase if the painter visits the parts only once, but a material savings is generally realized too. A spray-out color library will speed up the painter's process for choosing the best color formula and allow for a faster flow through the paint shop. We've already touched on one benefit to the body tech when we paint parts off the car when we can, so let's examine a few more. Not only do we realize a time efficiency benefit when we mix sealer once, color once, and clear once, we also generally see a savings in consumption of material when mixing and spraying one time. Often, we can increase the refinish hours in the booth cycle by putting two cars, or more accurately, the parts of two cars, in at the same time. The ultimate advantage of painting parts off the car brings us right back to increased touch time. Rather than painting half the part today, the jam, and then the other half tomorrow, simply painting the entire part today saved us a day of cycle time. These are just some of the things you can do to increase that all-important key performance metric, touch time. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.